Now we start off on matters COVID-19, where the Ministry of Health is warning of stringent measures if Kenyans will not adhere to the COVID-19 containment protocols as the country enters its second wave of infections. On Thursday, Kenya recorded 761 new positive cases, while 14 more patients succumbed to the deadly virus. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says family members will now carry the burden of nursing their kin who get infected with COVID-19.
That the country has now entered its second wave of COVID-19 infections following an exponential rise in the daily positive cases recorded has left the Ministry of Health in limbo, seeking to balance a running economy even as it works to save lives. On Thursday, the country recorded 761 new positive cases in 24 hours from a sample size of 4,830, translating to a 15% positivity rate. Additionally, 14 more patients died during the period, raising the fatalities tally to 964. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says the numbers are worrying.
This is from a low of about 4% average per week in the month of September. Clearly, we have an issue to deal with. Up until yesterday, we have lost 54 lives to the disease this week alone.
Kagwe is categorical that the country may be forced to adopt tougher measures as the infection rate soars.
As a person, if you expose yourself or if you treat yourself carelessly, you must understand that the people who are going to take care of you are your own family members. And the reason why this is going to be the case in any event is there is a limit to how much and how many beds we can keep on creating in the country.
Currently, 1,084 patients are admitted to COVID-19 health facilities, with 35 at the intensive care unit and another 24 at the high dependency unit. This high number of inpatients is worrying the Ministry of Health as bed occupancy at the hospitals is reaching its limit. Of concern to medics is the recklessness of many Kenyans who are flouting stipulated containment measures, a situation which may cost them dearly.
Not wearing a mask can render you find a substantial amount of money. I think at the moment, the monies involved are substantial. There are substantial amounts of money, but you make clear, we will send out a circular exactly to the police and elsewhere, so that when they are enforcing these fines, then they'll use the right figures. I can't remember offhand, but I think it's something like 20,000.
On November 4th, the national and county governments will hold the 6th extraordinary meeting to discuss the current COVID-19 status and recommend appropriate remedies. Kamchemenza for Channel 1 News.